case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case in question arose when the plaintiff accused the defendant of breaching an all-important non-disparagement clause in a severance agreement. This breach, the plaintiff alleged, was evidenced when the defendant engaged in defamatory behavior and instructed media outlets not to feature the plaintiff, thereby causing them significant financial losses. Historically, the plaintiff's conduct during litigation has been less than exemplary. Hence, the plaintiff has faced 2 instances of sanctions in the course of disputing claims. This history led the court to limit the plaintiff's potential recovery to minimum damages on most claims within the lawsuit, a severe drawback for the plaintiff. However, the plaintiff additionally sought damages for intentional infliction of emotional distress. Without such evidence, the plaintiff's case for emotional distress could not proceed. Adding a layer of complexity to the case, the plaintiff had previously requested for 2 separate cases against the same defendants to be consolidated. Interestingly, this request was denied by the court. Despite the court's refusal to consolidate the cases, they did show a willingness to ease their earlier sanctions, a boon for the beleaguered plaintiff. But in a blow to the plaintiff, the court only allowed for nominal damages at trial. It affirmed the long-held principle that damages must be based on reasonable certainty of a party's loss while forbidding assumptions or guesswork. The court's flexible stance was not so far-reaching when it came to the plaintiff's escalating demands, as they decided emotional distress damages won't be recoverable since the lawsuit was inherently about the contract breach and not about independent torts. Overall, while the court navigated a complex set of claims, the defendant was the one who ended victorious. With the court granting their motion, it is clear that the bulk of the legal skirmish was performed under their terms to the detriment of the plaintiff's complaints.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.